So now let us solve the question number 3. So it is given as compute the indicated products. Compute the indicated products. First part of the question is given as what it is? AB minus BA, then A minus B, BA. Okay? AB minus BA, A minus B, BA. Okay? So this is the what we have to do. We have to do the product. First element, A square, A into A square, then put B square, then these two elements. B into B, it is B square. Similarly, these two elements, minus B into A, it is minus AB. Then these two elements, it is AB. Next here, first element, second column, we have, this one is completed. Now we have to multiply with this second column. A into minus B, minus AB, plus B into A, it is AB. Now here, minus B into minus B, it is B square, plus A into A, it is A square. So this is written as what? A square plus B square. This will get cancelled. This will get also cancelled. 0, 0. And here it is A square plus B square. So this is the resultant of the first part of the question's answer. Okay. So now second part is what it is? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So here, so this is what this is column matrix, and this is what it is row matrix, because it has only one column and this has only one row. So it is row matrix, this is column matrix. This one is multiplied as, we have to multiply all the elements of this column, okay, with first element's column. Okay. So here 1 2s are 2. So first multiplied with 2 each element. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay. So now what we have to do? Now multiply this with second 3. Okay. Now second column. If we multiply the first column of this matrix to the second column, then the elements will be in the second column. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now what we have to do? Now we have to multiply with all elements of this matrix is multiplied with the third column. So 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and it is 3 4s are 12. Okay. So this is the resultant of the matrix. One more thing, if you are confused how it will be, see here it is what? The order of the matrix is written as how many rows? It is column matrix now, so only one column. How many rows? 1 2 3. So it is written as column into row now, and here only one column. Sorry, one row. Into how many columns? 1 2 3. So if the matrix is like this, so your resultant matrix will be ending part. So 3 by 3. So now this is verified now. So after multiplying this, if you want to assure that whether your answer is correct or not, you have to do like this. Okay now. So your resultant is 3 by 3. So here, understood. So here one row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. So 3 by 3 resultant. Okay. So now write the next question. Third part, it is 1 minus 2, 2 3. 1 2 3, 2 3 1. Okay. So here matrix is 2 by 2, and here matrix is what? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. So our matrix will be in the form of what? 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the first row with the first column now. So 1 1s are 1, plus minus 2 into 2, it is minus 4. Then 2 1s are 2, plus 3 2s are 6. Now what we have to do? We have to do the same row 1 with second column. No? Second column. So 1 2s are 2, plus minus 2 into 3, minus 6. And here 2 2s are 4, and 3 3s are 9. And now what we have to do? We have to multiply with the third column. Okay. So 1 3s are 3 plus minus 2 into 1 it is minus 2. And then here 2 3s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3. So what will be the answer? It is 1 minus 4 it is minus 3 minus 4. Here it is what? 1. 2 plus 6 8. It is minus 4. Take next 9 plus 3 it is 13. And here it is 9. So this is what, this is the resultant of the third part of the question. Okay. So now fourth part.